Focus, wait lang. Ayan. so, so very, it's so very cold out here.
It's
Double, double window.
So, oh, Atom is
Atom.
coming.
Oh no, hide the maids and the maids.
Atom is coming in a black shirts and
He's-
summer shorts.
He's wearing nothing on top.
As you can see in the camera, you can see the floating shirt and shorts.
Oh,
And he's coming fast right now.
he's wearing Dr. Dre's beats.
Yeah, it is wearing orange Dr. Dre bits.
Dr. J beat.
And he's coming here so fast.
It's like
It's like the nigger walking in the wind.
Mayroon pa yun on doon sa loob, ata.
And now he's here. He's approaching us very quick.
Ibaba mo tapos yun, tapos bigla na lang kanya na si Jimmy.
Bang! 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 Bang!
Dr. Dre.
Dr. Dre.
Tell something about yourself.
Yeah, so why are you here right now?
I'm
Why
going
are
to the
you-
market. I'm going to buy some fish and chicken.
Why are you conquering our land?
Go back to Africa.
Yung mana dyan?
Oh,
Nakuha na boards.
you. Oh shit, nag-smoke siya sa...
Smoking like, ano?
Hey, Atom, where you at?
You're wearing nothing on top. Yo.
Saan naman? Video okay.
Tapos dalawa lang.
Ha?
Magpo 5-5 na tayo.
Lista mo na naman.
Lista mode. 10 peso lang naman, di ba?
Meron din